Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare the Xiaomi G20 Max with the Xiaomi G10 Plus. So the suction power is better for G2 Max, and also it's better, the motor power is better for G20 Max, so the suction is going to be better. That's something that you have to be aware of. The battery capacity is a little bit better but Xiaomi G10 Plus. The runtime is kind of like similar, but I had experience with the Xiaomi that what they say is always like way less, and primarily if you're going to use it longer, the runtime is going to be shorter. The charging time a little bit longer for G2 Plus, G10 Plus, so the G20 is winning. Dustbin capacity same, weight is similar, noise level don't got it specified, so that's for that. Here it's 79, and even right here when I'm going to look, so there is no information about it. So that's something that you have to be aware of, that I didn't find it. So yeah, that's for that. Now when you're gonna go further, you're gonna have the filtration. So you have 5-stage washable 99. You're gonna have G10 Plus is, you're gonna have more filtration types and better for allergies. But even the filtration for G20 is not bad. And you can have also the pet brush for, this is like insane if you have pet, just be aware of it, okay, for G20. And then accessories, this really depends on the needs, like what you need, of course. Then also you have lightning on the brush G20, both got anti-tangle feature, surface types, both are alright, really depends what you want to use it for. And then also you have extra features on both, and yeah, so that's pretty much it, what you have to be aware of and what are the important things. So I just want to make this quick video for you as kind of like comparison of the specs, and have a great day and goodbye.